Welcome. In front of me is an HONOR Pad X8a, and today I'll show you how we can record a screen on this tablet. So to get started, you want to swipe down from the top of your screen, and then somewhere here you want to swipe down again. This will extend the list of visible toggles in which you will be able to find the screen recording. Once you tap on it, it will ask you first time around for permission, so we're going to select while using the app, and then OK. I'm going to mute the microphone as it automatically begins recording, so whatever you'll open up right now will be recorded. I am going to open up one specific application called Netflix, as this one will not be recorded because it uses some BS function of Android that allows it to control your own device. Keep in mind, I am not signed in, nor have I agreed to anything, and nor have I even actually installed this myself. It comes as a preloaded bullshit, so I never agreed to it because I never actually downloaded it myself. And I haven't agreed to terms of service of Netflix because I don't have an account. Therefore, what they are doing, which you will see in a second by playing back the video, which once you stop capturing it, which you've seen by me clicking on the red square, you can go to Gallery. Under Albums, you will find videos, and I believe Screenshots also has it. Let's just make sure. Yep, so Screenshots also have it. You'll be able to see the Netflix recording. And what you will see is just a straight up black screen. There was content visible, so after this there is literally nothing. Yep, there we go. So this is basically a privacy feature, typically designed to protect the user if there's an application that would spy on you and be able to see your screen, kind of like a screen recorder would. So you can imagine for instance, bank applications, this is very useful, but this is not protecting you. Let's be honest, Netflix doesn't give a single crap about you. They care about their profit. And I just want to say, because of this, because of the complete blatant disregard to your private personality and your device, and ignoring what is yours and just changing settings willy-nilly whenever they want, I will give you a little tip. If you want to technically legally pirate things, I highly recommend checking out CloudStream on GitHub. It's basically a repository-based application that allows you to watch it without needing to pay for any subscription. And it kind of works by pulling all the links that you typically search online to like watch something online for free. So it just kind of gives you an application to get all of it in one place. So, and obviously makes it easy to search and without all the ads and anything like that. So it's pretty good. So yeah, anyway, highly recommend checking that out, and screw you Netflix for just doing whatever you want on a device that I never gave you permission to do so. Okay, anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.